Good morning students, this is my lecture for notice writing for class 11th subject English. This is your very first topic of writing skills which you would have already done in your junior classes as well. But today I'll teach you how to attempt it as per the CBSE demands because this would be a mandatory question in your examination for 4 marks. Therefore, for getting 4 marks in this lecture, I will tell you the distribution of 4 marks for writing notice, and then I will give you the introduction of the topic, how to write it and for what purpose it is written, and then I will tell you the complete format which you have to follow while writing a notice, and then I'll make you understand with example number 1 and then example number 2 of writing notice which will be solved, so that you understand properly how to attempt it, and at last I will assign you homework. So in this lecture we will cover all the things that I have just said. Let's proceed with the topic now. The CBSE has also prescribed a format of writing a notice to be followed by all the students. Students, this would be your question number 3 in your examination, and that carries 4 marks in your exam. For 4 marks question, instead of notice, you may get poster making, you may get invitation and its replies as well. Notice writing is almost given in all the question papers, and it is mandatory for all the students to understand the formal format which CBSE prescribes for all the students, because it segregates marks 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 is only for the formatting of the notice. 2 marks are for the content that you are supposed to write, that must be appropriate. And 1 mark is for overall effectiveness of your writing of notice. That includes your grammatical errors and your accuracy, everything. Now, I'll introduce notice writing to all of you. A notice is a written or printed announcement. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or it is about to happen. It can be an upcoming event, competition, lost, found, or a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. It is generally written in a formal tone. Notices are factual and to the point, so the language should be used simple and formal. There is no need to use any flowery language in writing a notice. Notices are put up on display boards in schools or at public places so that they give the appropriate information regarding an event or a happening or lost or found or anything else related to the same. Before you start writing notice, you must know the format of writing a notice. Format of writing notice includes the following points. Number 1, the name of the institution or issuing authority. Then you will be writing NOTICE notice in all capital letters. Then date of issue, then subject or the title of the event. Then in content you will include date, time, duration, place, venue. At last you will be writing the signature or the name of the person who has written this notice or the authorized signatory, name and its designation. Students, do always remember you are supposed to put your notice into a box. If you do not put it into a box, you cannot score full marks in it. Your marks will be deducted by the examiner if it is not put into a box. Now, I'll teach you with example 1. Being the head boy of your school, write a notice for the students of classes 6th to 10th to invite the names for science quiz to be held in your school. This is a kind of event that your school is going to organize, and being the head boy, you are asked by your school authority to draft a notice to inform the students of classes 6 to 10th so that the students must get aware of the event to be happening in your school in future, and you will be inviting the names of the interested candidates to take part in this science quiz competition. See, this is the answer of the question that I explained to you just now. First of all, as per the format, the school name is written in the very beginning of your notice writing. As in the question it was written, write a notice for your school notice board. So it is West Academy Senior Secondary School, Pataudi. In second line, you will be writing NOTICE all in capital letters, notice. And then you will be moving to the date that is to be written in the way it is shown on the screen. April 3, 2020. You are not supposed to write DATE there. You will be writing date directly. Then you will proceed to the next line in which you will be writing the subject of the notice. That is science quiz competition. Right? Or it is called heading, title, or the subject. Now we proceed to the content of this notice writing. As the content must not be flowery, it should be to the point, it should be simple so that everyone must understand it clearly. And make sure you are not writing it with I, the first person singular number. It also begins in the way it is written, or this is to inform, you are hereby informed. This must be the beginning. And here I have started writing it like it is written to inform all the students from classes 6 to 10th that the school is organizing. The school means the name of the school that is written in the beginning on the top. School is organizing a science quiz competition to be held on April 11, 2020 in the school auditorium starting at 10 a.m. The interested candidates can get themselves registered for the same by April 6, 2020 with their class teachers. Now you can see, students, here the complete description of the event to be organized is given very precisely there. Here the children from classes 6 to 10th, after reading this content, will come to know about the science quiz competition to be organized in West Academy, and you see there the date is mentioned, the venue is mentioned, and the starting time of the quiz is mentioned, and by which date the students are supposed to submit their names to their class teachers for getting their registration done. Right? So this shows that how precisely the notice content is written so that nobody must get any doubt after reading this, and the things must be clear to them after they go through this notice. Then at last it is written name of the boy, because in your question it is given being the head boy of the school. Right? So it is Pulkit Roy and head boy. You know, students, earlier the children used to write XYZ, ABC instead of the names. Whether the name is given or not in your question, you are supposed to write name where it is required. The most important thing is, if the name is suggested in the question, then you have no authority to change the name. You will have to copy the same name given in your question. But if it is not given, as in the question I reflected on the screen, no name of the writer was given there. Therefore, I have written a name of my choice. So that is applicable to all the students, all the candidates appearing in exams for writing notice there, that you are supposed to write the name of your choice, but you cannot skip or you cannot just write ABC XYZ there. Now, let's proceed to example 2. Water supply will be suspended for 8 hours 10 am to 6 pm on 6th of April for cleaning of the water tank. Write a notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. You are Karan Kumar or Karuna Bajaj, Secretary of Janta Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, Karnal. Now you see students, here the authority is Janta Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, that wants to inform its residents that the water supply will be suspended for 8 hours on 6th of April. So they want to issue a notice to inform the residents to store water for a day for the convenience of themselves. Therefore, they want to draft a notice for the residents of Palam Vihar. Now see how this notice will be drafted. First line, Janta Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, Karnal. This is issuing authority, right? Then we'll proceed to NOTICE notice, all in capital letters. Then in third line, left hand side of the page, you'll be writing April 1, 2020, the date of issuing. Now here the question arises, what would be the subject of this kind of notice? Here you can write attention. Attention, that the authority wants to seek the attention of the readers of this notice, right? Then the content. The content is, this notice is to inform all the residents regarding the suspension of water supply for 8 hours. It is being done to clean the water tank. The details are as follows. Date March 6, time 10 am to 6 pm. Thus, we request you store the required amount of water beforehand to minimize the difficulty. This is the complete content that gives to the point information to the readers about the storage of water for their convenience. Date, time, everything is given precisely so that the readers must come to know about the cleaning of the water tank, and due to this reason they are supposed to store 1 day water in the required amount with them, right? Then it is thank you. Names as given in the question, Karan Kumar or Karuna Bajaj, right? And then designation of this Karan Kumar or Karuna Bajaj, that is secretary. Because being the secretary of Janta Group Housing Society, you are writing this notice to make people aware about the situation. Beta, this is your homework assignment. You are supposed to attempt the following notices in your Fair English notebook. Question number 1 is, due to the spread of coronavirus, the government has issued the order for all the schools to be closed up to April 14, 2020. As the principal of your school, draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be displayed at the school main gate notice board. Understood? As you know, government has issued order for the lockdown up to 14th of April. Therefore, school cannot be opened. So you are supposed to give this information to all the students. So this notice is to be displayed at the main notice board at the school gate, so that the people get aware about this coronavirus and the government's decision. Right? You will be following the same format I explained you in the previous questions, and then you will be writing the appropriate content for this notice, and you will be putting your notice into a box. Question number 2 says, you lost your Titan wristwatch in your school playground. Therefore, draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be placed on your school notice board. You are a student of class 11th of Rani Lakshmi Bai Senior Secondary School, Gwalior. Sign yourself as Daksh or Diksha. In this, you will be writing
as if you have lost your Titan wristwatch, and make sure that your notice must not exceed 50 words. Being the student of class 11th and your school name is Rani Lakshmi Bai, so you cannot write here your own school name. You'll be writing the name of the school given here. You'll be copying it from the question only, and you'll be copying the name of the writer from your question only. If question includes the name of the school, the name of the writer, then you have no authority to change this, right? I hope on the basis of your understanding, you'll be capable enough to answer these two questions. They are to be answered in your Fair English notebook. This is the end of the lecture. Thank you.